client's family called me because their son was put in prison for sexual exploitation of a child, which is a charge that is brought when police find that somebody has downloaded improper materials or child pornography onto their computer. The woman that he was divorcing called the police on him for domestic violence type allegations, and also said he's a creep, you should look at his phone. And so they downloaded his phone, and they found a lot of pornography, but adult pornography. And in the course of looking, they also claimed to have found 10 files containing child pornography. Well, his previous lawyer told him that he had no shot. Said, you got to plead guilty to this. It's going to be proven at trial. I went over to the police department. I looked at the images. They were horrible. You're going to go down. And he kept claiming that he never intentionally downloaded anything about child pornography. He was just kind of surfing adult porn websites. That's all he was doing. But despite his insistence that he was innocent of that, the lawyer convinced him that he's got to take it because it's such a good deal. It's probation. He's not going to go to prison. He pled guilty to it. He got placed on probation, which is a very difficult type of probation. Sex offender probation is probably the most difficult probation to complete. He, of course, failed because he couldn't admit that he did anything wrong. And they sent him to prison for 3 years. His family called me. We hired the right expert to go in and look at his phone. And after examining his phone forensically, it was determined that he never was in possession of child pornography. That what the police had found were thumbnails or trace type data that is derived from surfing other legal websites. And that he never intentionally had it in a photo album. He never viewed it. It could be proven that he even played any of the materials. It was just basically little thumbnails of photographs that he never had access to and would not have been able to access. So we quickly got that evidence over to the prosecution. Fortunately, we had a pretty reasonable prosecutor who saw that the conviction was false, and she agreed to an unopposed quick petition to vacate the conviction and release him out of prison. And within 3 weeks, he was walking out of the prison gates and hugging his family, and it was one of the more satisfying 35C petitions I've ever been involved with.